In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the CS2 fatal error failed to connect with local Steam client process. The first thing we want to do is try and verify our files. So just find the game, and in here you want to right click Properties, go to Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Now this is gonna take either a few seconds or a few minutes depending on how much needs to be verified, but just click on this and wait for it to be done. After that, you want to click on Browse. In here, you want to go to Game, Bin, Windows 64 or Windows 32, depending on which folder you have. Find cs2.exe, right-click, Properties, Compatibility, and activate these two. So make sure you check on Disable Full Screen Optimizations and check Run this program as an administrator. Once you've done that, you can come down here and search for run, type in %temp%. In here, you want to just press anywhere and click Ctrl A and then delete all the files. So if this pops up, just press do this for all current items and skip, and do it again when the next one pops up. We're just going to delete everything we can, and these ones we don't have to delete because we're skipping these. After you've done that, what I suggest you do is you come down here and search for network reset, press reset now, and then just restart your PC. After that, it should hopefully work. Now, I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.